Fuel injectors are a crucial part of a vehicle's engine. Over time, they can become clogged or dirty due to carbon deposits, impurities in fuel, or lack of maintenance. There are several ways to clean fuel injectors effectively. First, ensure the engine is off and cool, and wear protective gloves for safety. Locate the fuel injectors and disconnect the fuel supply according to your vehicle's manual. The spray cleaner method is an effective way to clean fuel injectors without removing them from the engine. Next, attach the spray cleaning canister or pressurized fuel injector cleaner directly to the fuel rail or injector port, following the product instructions carefully. Start the engine and allow it to run on the cleaning solution instead of gasoline. This flushes out carbon deposits and other contaminants from the injectors. Run the engine for the recommended time, usually 10 to 20 minutes, while monitoring for smooth operation. After cleaning, turn off the engine, disconnect the cleaning setup, and securely reconnect the fuel lines. This method helps restore injector efficiency without the need for full removal. To use the DIY fuel injector cleaning kit, first ensure the engine is off, cool, and remove the injector. Identify the injector you want to test or clean, and connect the kit's injector adapter to it individually. The kit allows you to operate injectors one at a time to diagnose problems such as sticking, leaking, or burnt-out injectors. Use the LED display to select the appropriate pulse mode and adjust the pulse settings according to the injector type. If needed, connect a fuel pressure tester to monitor fuel delivery while cleaning or testing. This method allows for efficient injector testing and cleaning without the need for full disassembly. The Fuel Injector Cleaner Toolkit is an efficient solution for cleaning the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, throttle valves and intake system, without the need for disassembly. It helps remove carbon deposits, improve the air-fuel ratio, enhance fuel combustion, reduce emissions, and boost engine performance. The kit features a dual-scale pressure gauge and a pressure-adjusting knob, allowing you to clean at high or low pressure as needed. To use, simply identify the inlet and return hoses and connect the cleaner accordingly. Regular cleaning of fuel injectors ensures smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions, keeping your engine running at its best.